Florida is one of the largest real estate markets in the country, and title insurance is a specialized, high-margin niche within it. Average title agents earn between $50,000 and $85,000 a year, with senior agency owners pulling in well into the six figures. To get a piece of that market, you need the Florida 410 Title Insurance Agent License. This video will walk you through the exact roadmap to acquire and activate that license, while showing you the hidden traps that cause most candidates to fail the state exam. Step 1 starts before you even open a book. You must pass 3 non-negotiable entry requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, you must be a U.S. citizen or authorized legal alien, and you must be a Florida resident. That residency requirement is absolute. If you currently hold a resident insurance license in another state, you are disqualified from holding the Florida 410. Meeting these basic demographics is simply the entry fee. The actual challenge begins now as you navigate a highly specialized gauntlet of real estate law and administrative red tape. Step 2 is the educational requirement. You have 2 paths to qualify for the exam. Complete a 40-hour state-approved title insurance course, which must include 3 hours of ethics, or prove you have 12 months of supervised title insurance experience within the last 4 years. There is a narrow exception for attorneys. Members of the Florida Bar can perform title work in their legal practice without a license, but if an attorney wants to open a dedicated title agency and apply for the official 410 license, they still have to sit for the state exam. That brings us to step 3, preparing for the exam itself. This is where candidates fail. They assume this is a standard insurance test and study general policy provisions. This pie chart shows the Pearson VUE exam weighting. Look at the 2 largest sections. Examination of title at point. Read every question twice and actively eliminate the obviously wrong answers first before committing to your choice. Once you pass with a 70% or higher, step 5 is processing your paperwork. You need to create a My Profile account on the Florida State Portal and submit your fingerprints for an FDLE and FBI background check. This ledger outlines your total upfront financial investment to reach this point. You are looking at $200 to $400 for the course, $44 for the exam, $48.55 for fingerprinting, and a $50 state application fee. Do not delay this final paperwork. Your passing exam score comes with a strict 12-month expiration timer. If you hesitate and let that 1-year window close before submitting your application, your score is voided and you lose all the time and money you just invested. You submitted your application and the state issued your 410 license. But here is the hardest truth for new agents. Holding that physical license does not give you the legal right to transact insurance. Under Florida statute section 626.112, you are prohibited from issuing a title policy until you secure a formal appointment. You secure this by finding a recognized title insurer, like Old Republic, Fidelity National, or First American, to officially back your license and file that appointment with the state. Concurrently, you must establish a highly regulated federally insured trust or escrow account to handle client funds during closings. A state license validates your credentials, but you cannot legally close a deal or earn a commission until a title insurer files your formal appointment and you establish a compliant escrow account. Once that appointment is filed, your Florida resident title insurance agent status is officially active, and you are cleared for business. This chart shows one of the best long-term benefits of the 410 license. While life and health agents must complete 24 hours of continuing education every 2 years, title agents face a reduced requirement of only 10 hours. You are now legally authorized to operate within a booming real estate market, capitalizing on a high-margin product every buyer with a mortgage must purchase. The specialized legal knowledge and rigorous administrative steps required to get here form a high barrier to entry. That barrier is exactly what protects those high salaries and keeps the long-term maintenance of your career so manageable. To start Step 1 today, check the video description below. You'll find direct links to the state application portals and a final study cheat sheet to help you pass the exam on your first try.